One of the biggest IDOs of the season is coming this week, and it's a project that we're bullish on for all kinds of different reasons. And really, it might be the perfect blend of AI, artificial intelligence, and crypto coming together. And you have the opportunity to be very, very early. Like I said, IDO levels of early. I'm talking about October 17th, and I'm talking about Openfabric AI. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie, and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck as always if you choose to invest, but I just want to remind you that I am not a financial or investment advisor, so just remember that this video is not official financial or investment advice. If you missed out on the exclusive Altcoin Buzz and Enjinstarter $100 IDO giveaway for Openfabric AI, that's unfortunate, but you got to keep checking out Altcoin Buzz Alpha. We're still giving away free exclusive giveaways in the form of monthly free memberships. Check that out with the information below. Plus, our campaign with Enjinstarter is ongoing, and we're going to have more giveaways and more allocations in terms of IDO prizes coming up in the near future. Check the link and the pinned comment under this video for more information. So we've actually reviewed Openfabric already, but we know some of you are hearing about this project for the first time, especially as that IDO date comes around. It's getting more and more buzz, deservedly so. And we feel that it has some of the best features of many of our favorite crypto AI projects. So just like Fetch.ai, for example, you can build and sell an AI agent. You can build one, plus you have a marketplace of buyers and sellers of AI agents. In fact, Openfabric's really stated goal is to be the Apple App Store when it comes to crypto AI. And just like Singularity, Openfabric is building out an ecosystem as well. Some of Openfabric's projects already available are AI trading bots, development of new drug therapies, new human genome therapy research, and that's just to name a few. And when it comes to trading bots, we've seen them get very popular because the UI of a bot is really much better than most exchanges. The idea of AI helping to make the user experience better is something that we're only starting to discover now, but it's a big deal. And as far as research goes, it's got huge potential in avoiding errors and pattern recognition. They're also like Akash as well. That's another AI project that we're big fans of. And just like Akash, Openfabric has infrastructure, including GPU storage, that it can sell or rent out to projects that are themselves building out their own AI apps. So as we see it, there are really three great projects out there in the AI crypto space: Fetch.ai, Singularity, and Akash. And Openfabric collects the best features of all of them and aggregates them together. And they can also build out your AI protocol for you as a custom app, if that's something that you want to do. So those points in and of themselves are major differentiators, but then we also have the price and the value proposition here, really the difference in value. Of the 500 million total supply of the OFN token, the IDO will issue 20 million tokens at 6 cents each for a total of 1.2 million. This puts the initially fully diluted market value at $30 million. So just compare that to the market value of the three AI projects that I mentioned. Fetch.ai is 225 million at number about 133 in market cap. Singularity, 211 million at number 143. And Akash, $186 million at 161 in market cap rank. Now, we don't know if Openfabric will be as successful as those other projects, but we can also see that it takes the best of what these have to offer. And they're also now offering more at a fraction of the price. 1/6 of the price of Akash right now, actually. And Akash is the cheapest of the three bigger AI projects that we just talked about. At the time of this recording, $173 million versus $30 million, which definitely brings the risk part of that risk-reward ratio down quite a lot for us. We can really see how Openfabric can grow from here as well. And again, only 6 cents of downside so far. So let's talk now a little bit about the IDO. As I said, this is a highly anticipated IDO. It's happening across 4 different platforms. You can access it on ChainGPT, October 17th, Enjinstarter on October 18th, Seedify on October 19th, and Pools Finance on the 20th of October. So you have lots of different choices here based on whichever platform you may prefer, or maybe where you can more easily get whitelisted and then get your allocation. Again, it's 6 cents per token for 20 million tokens in total. To draw a comparison here, at least to us, it feels like getting Polygon at its all-time low of 0.3 of a cent believe it or not, before it went on to earn a 16,000+% ROI. And look, you know, and we know that AI is not going anywhere anytime soon. It's only going to grow from here. There will be some growing pains in the industry, but in its totality, it will only continue to expand in importance and reach. And so risk is on the lower side when it comes to this project when you look at the potential, which is huge. So when it comes down to it, you are likely going to add some crypto AI to your portfolio. And we believe you should, by the way. So then why pick between GPU for rendering images like Akash does or building AI agents like Fetch does when you can have both? Why have a big ecosystem of projects like Singularity or AI trading bots like Telegram's TON, T-O-N, when you can have both? We have nothing against these other projects. In fact, we're fans of them. We do like them. But if the idea of having direct access to the very best of what AI and crypto have to offer together, and not just one cool part of the market, then check out Openfabric. Again, their IDO is this week starting on October 17th, but you have different options based on the platform of your preference. Check out the details. We'll have links and other information in the description of this video below.